So what's up guys? So in this video we'll be learning how to buy on Hotbit exchange. So we've made video on how we're able to send crypto from one exchange to Hotbit exchange, and the name of the exchange is gate.io. So if you've not registered on Hotbit exchange, the link to register is in the description. Also, if you've not registered on gate.io, which is another excellent exchange, the link to register is in the description. So go ahead to watch the video up there now. So the coin that piques our interest is the SAF coin. All right, so the SAF coin. So if you want to trade the SAF coin, or if you want to search up the SAF coin, what you just need to do is to come to the search box here. All right, so just click on the search box here, type in the name of the coin or the ticker, and it should come up nice for you. So this is the coin here right away, and if you notice, this is what the chart look like. But I'm going to place my buy order below the market price, just at this level. All right, so hopefully it gets to 0.057. all right, so I'm just going to place my buy order at 0.057 and hope it plays out nice. All right, so at the right side of my screen here, you notice that the order book shows a whole lot of what is happening. So my buy order is going to be at this point, 0.057, and let's see if it plays out nice. So I'm going to be using about 60% of my funds to buy this, which is about 20 USDT. All right, so I'm just going to buy it and forget about it. All right, so some of these coins I just buy it to make tutorials, as well as because it can do easy times 10, easy times 20, easy times 100, who knows. So I'm just going to buy, and I just hit on confirm order. To make a buy order on Hotbit is very easy as ABC. This was the first coin we bought, but it has not been triggered already, and this is the second one now. All right, so we can easily cancel this order at any time, then put a better amount, else it will never get triggered. Hope you got value in this video. One thing to do for us is to support us by smashing that subscribe button right away. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. Always do your research before aping into any project. All what we say in these videos are not financial advice. Peace out.